Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I know this video is late, but you know, yesterday was a lot. There was a lot to do. So, I'm just gonna do like a very simple look. So I kind of just thought we'd do like a chit-chat get ready. I'm also playing non-copyright music in the background, and I just wanted to see like how that would look. I don't know. But, so I bought this spooky tree for $5 at Target. Isn't it beautiful? So today we're going to be going to Albany. I bought this dress from Shein and it didn't fit, so like I kind of want to go to Torrid. I'm a little nervous because of the pandemic, but look, it's okay. We'll be fine. So, since I'm just doing like simple shit, I'm literally not even gonna put foundation on. This is just how I like to lazily wear makeup, okay? So obviously I have leftover makeup from last night, which by the way, if you don't follow my Twitch, you definitely should, because last night's stream was lit, okay? So I'm just putting on concealer underneath my eyes to get rid of the darkness. And I'm also gonna put some on top of my eyes. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender. And just, you know, blend it out. And I kind of like drag it over my nose because my nose is like really red. And then, you know, I drag it up here a little bit. I blend out the edges.
While I never thought of myself as the type of father who'd have to drug test his kids, I'm willing to do just that if that's what it takes to find out who brought a joint into this house.
What the hell is this song?
Dad, I found a joint in Mom's dresser drawer.
What the fuck? I should have listened to this playlist before I played it. Oh well. I do still bake. But then I take it and put it. And because I wear a mask, I'm really not focusing on this part. And that's why it looks honestly ridiculous, but that's okay. I'm also doing like minimal editing for this video because it's very like just chill, simple. Just kind of trying different styles of videos for right now, just to see like which ones do better. So I think for today's eye look, I'm just gonna use my Huda Beauty palette. I'm just gonna put some like, I have this like light salmon color. I'm just gonna work with that. But first I'm gonna put a tan color down. So I had some leftover red on there, that's okay. And now I'm just taking that salmon color and brushing it on over top. But I'm focusing it more like in the crease. I'm gonna take that tan color again and I'm gonna brush it over the top. Okay, I'm gonna take a shimmery color. I kind of want to use Frazzled. It here it looks like this. Now, for those of you who don't know, it's much easier to apply like a glittery color from Huda Beauty with your finger. Actually, it's kind of that way with most glittery colors. It just, the glitter looks better, it goes on better. It would look even better if I had like a glue or like didn't blend out my concealer, you know, just like had a wet base for it to like latch onto. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the salmon color under my eye. We're not really gonna do anything with the eyebrows or anything. So now we're just gonna do some eyeliner. Sorry, I'm quiet. I had to. Kinda messed up on that, but it's good. I mean, it looks okay on camera. Oh, I bought more Lash Paradise, guys. So we got it on our nose. But okay. Bruh. My bad. That song was a little weird. Alright, so when I contour and stuff, when I do this, I literally just like bronze. I don't really do anything else. And then I'll take some blush, pop that on. And then I'll just take a highlighter. Literally use the same brush for everything. Okay. For video purposes, I'm gonna put on a lip just to show you, like, because my lips are horrible right now. But normally I wouldn't even put lipstick on. Alright. This is basically it. Just a simple little look. But yeah. So but anyways, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I know this video was very like chill, very like, but I don't know, I just wanted to, you know, see how this would work out. I gotta go. We're going to Albany today. I might try vlogging again, see how that works out. But we'll see. But yeah. Alright, well, you guys have a wonderful day. And I will see you in my next video tomorrow. And yeah, I love you guys.